Mr. Ted, our friends here asking about M81. So, can you link this to any group or nation, and also to the first wave of Muslim into Spain?
I can link EM81 is pretty conclusively linked to two groups of people who okay, hold on. I'll give you the exact names because they date to the Carthaginian period.
Is it immigration from Asia back to Africa?
No.
What?
No, it's African. Okay, so there are two groups. They're called Masili, and then there's another group called. Hold on.
Geographical location.
Yeah, they're Algeria and Tunisia, Numidia. They call it Eastern Numidia. So there are two groups called the Masili and then Masesili. So these are names that are like Imazighen, and they're Berber, right? These are Berber tribes, and there are amalgamation of smaller tribes in the 4th century BCE, right? Most of EM81, let's see what the TMRCA of EM81 is.
يقول ربط بمجموعتين في تونس والجزائر ومن الأمازيغ يعني والبربر كذا سماه.
Right. So the main part, the TMRCA of the main part of EM81 is now 700 BCE. That's not that long before the historical Berber tribes that are mentioned in the context of the Carthaginian Empire, right? And so it's clear that EM81 is associated with the Berbers. There's another reason. There's ancient DNA in EM81, as I pointed out before, which is from the Guanche, from the Canary Islands. The Guanche of the Canary Islands were related to the Berbers, but they had nothing to do with the Middle East. They were a native Berber group who were isolated in an island.
But their language is Afro-Asiatic and coming from the East.
Yes, no, Afro-Asiatic comes from Africa.